Now when the entire pool is in level, it's time to build the stairs so I can walk down the pool. Now this is how the stairs will look like. I will start by adding some planks down here in the bottom and then walk myself up.
Okay, so here's a quick explanation on what I have been doing so far.
So you saw me screwing down these earth screws, and that was just to give support to this beam that is attached to the wall over here. On the outside of this plank there will be more planks that will cover up the stairs, kind of like create a wall over here along this side, all the way over there. You can call this the final step. It's a bit high, but in a pool it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna have 3 steps in total, and this is the final one. Now the string you saw me add here is so that I can align all other planks like this. Now the reason why I use that laser to set the height of this plank and that plank over there is so that this final step will be at the same height. Now let's see if all these planks are aligned. Yep. Perfect. Now this was the first step. Now I will continue with the next step, pretty much the same way I have done this step. One thing to notice is that this is not straight at all, but that does not matter. It's just there for pure strength and nothing else. The vertical beams only have one purpose, and that is to attach planks on this edge, not on this edge. The same thing with the horizontal is that they only attach planks on the top and has nothing to do with this side. So that's why they are so misaligned here, because, well, it doesn't matter at all. One thing to note here in the corner is that I used one plank on the back and then one plank on the front. That is just to get something to screw on. Next up, I will cover this structure with planks, and the stairs should then be done. So far I've been able to use clamps to push these planks up against this one, but the further down I get, the longer clamps I need, and on this row I can't use clamps. I don't have that long clamps. So my solution is to use one of these by putting it under the plank and just lift it up. And if this doesn't push it long enough, I just add blocks like that. Now before closing this up, I need to check so there's nothing still in here. You never know, there might be a cat or something. Hopefully not. Yeah, turned out great. I'm very pleased.